Creative Flex presents Summer Collection Volume 1 featuring Jarie Newbie. This is a Creative Flex concept.
Yo, what's up YouTube? This is Creative Flex. We're here at Barren River Lake. We're about to do a Summer Vibes edition photo shoot. I got Jarie here. Jarie, say what's up to everybody.
Hey y'all.
She has been awesome. She's going to model for this Summer Vibes shoot. We're gonna go ahead and get right into it. I ain't gonna hype it up too much, man. Y'all watch what we get into. So if you can, just kind of step, kind of like right here. That rock is probably your good center point right there. So like that's kind of where your center of your body will be. And we'll just base all the poses from that rock. So basically your navel is gonna line up with that rock no matter what we end up doing. All right, so we're gonna start standing up. How you going, brother? All right, I'm gonna get another test photo real quick. Looks dope. All right, cool. I just want to let y'all know, man, right now I'm shooting with the Sony A7R5. I got the Sigma 2.8 24-70. Got the Godox XProII for Sony. That's our flash trigger. I'm running with the Easy Lock by Glow 34-inch beauty dish. I got a grid on there. And I got the Godox 8600 Pro. That 600 is going to help me block out a lot of that harsh sunlight and allow us to still get some dope photos. So yeah, man, y'all about to see what some of this magic looks like. All right, I'm just talking my shit. All right. So y'all, I'm gonna let her take the lead on this, let her get in her zone, and then when she kind of runs out a little bit of poses, then I can help her with some of the poses. All right, cool. You ready to rock? Then just center in with that rock. So curve, just whatever side, just make sure whenever you are hitting your poses, your face is this direction. So this is your light source. You always want to, like, no matter what you end up doing, whether it's this or this, it's always, even if your back's this way, make sure your face comes out to the flash. You know what I'm saying? All right, cool. There you go. 3, 2, 1. You know what I'm saying? I'm not seeing you. So it's like, if you're here, then that's like, it's not allowing your body to be like emphasized. You know what I'm saying? So we want you to look the best that you can look. You feel me? So let's try that pose again, but let's try to give a little, you know what I'm saying? A little bit of, maybe some shoulder in a little bit. So let's see what that looks like. Shoulder in, bring that elbow out so I can see it. Maybe it's, yeah, there you go. And then kind of lean. Let's do one hand behind the neck. Yes, there you go. Now look up at the light. Yes. Fire, fire, yo, that's crazy. So yeah, look how much difference that is. Just you kind of allowing yourself to like feel it out, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. I know we just met each other and it's a little eggshelly, but like just trust that like if you go a little bit of extra, it's gonna make the picture 10 times better every time. Let's go hands here. Kind of like that same thing, except your hands are here. So you're here, you're kind of using your hands to push in and then kind of give me one dominant, yep, there you go. And bring one of your legs out. There you go, yep. And then kind of toes in a little bit, there you go. There you go, dope. Hold that, yes. All right, so now let's do like some side profile. So this kind of leg is gonna kind of come out there. Yep, yep, and then always real dramatic. So like this leg can come out more, there you go, yep. And then you're gonna turn your hip a little bit towards me. There you go, 3, 2, 1, yeah, there you go. Perfect. Oh, that's crazy. Hold on, one more. There you go. Let me see that elbow in the back. There you go, yes. Oh, that's crazy. Oh, that's fire. All right, let's see. Can you make your hand come out just a little bit more? There you go. 3, 2, 1. Elbow stick out in the back a little bit more. There you go. Yes, real extra. That's fire. Yes, that's crazy. Yeah, look at that. Look how much different that looks.
Oh, snap.
It's looking like fitness model, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah. I've never enjoyed myself in a bathing suit picture
Yes.
before.
But see, that's
But
that's
now
part of the
I'm
reason why I'm
like,
trying to do it, you know what I'm saying? Boom, right there is perfect, yeah. I'm gonna drop this down just a little bit. How's it feel with everybody out here? Is it awkward? Okay, cool. I didn't know if it'd be awkward or not.
No one's even paying attention.
No one cares, that's what I'm saying. No one cares, they're like, oh, okay, cool. They're doing a photo shoot over there. So let's do, try to squat down just a little bit. So kind of like maybe sit on your feet. Yep, there you go. 3, 2, 1. Nice. Let's use the hands a little bit, maybe back of the neck a little bit. Yep. Yes, perfect. Chin down just a little bit. Perfect. Yes. Yes. All right. Let's try to bring your hand to where like your yeah, there you go. Yep. 3, 2, 1. Dope. Yes. Girl, you going crazy right now. Hold on. Are we about to break the internet?
Oh, shit.
Are we breaking the internet? Are we breaking the internet though?
Oh, my gosh. Oh, yeah.
Yo, that's crazy. That's going crazy. If you can you curve other way? Yes. No, sorry. So not the opposite way, but just more towards me. Yeah, that right there is good. Yep. All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Yes. So we just wrapped up the swimsuit photo shoot with Jarie. Jarie, for all the people that love what you do and love how you're doing in front of the camera, let them know where they can follow you.
On Instagram, it's at Jarie_newbie. It's JARIN_NEWBY.
Awesome. So y'all make sure y'all give her a follow. I'm also going to drop the Instagram links for everyone that wants to follow. I'll drop that in the description or in the comment section. Man, y'all give her a round of applause. Clap, clap. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. So she's about to do some ballet.
Ballet.
Oh, damn, she didn't even do all that while ago. But anyways, that's okay. We're about to get some of that here in a second, man. So yeah, y'all stay tuned, man. Y'all stay tuned.
Look, back and I'm better than ever. I think I got a vendetta. Oh, now they call me, I seen them. All of those times getting severed. I told them all I can let up.